All right, guys, Mason from AR500 Armor here. We've been getting a lot of questions with all these new people that are getting into the armor industry and stuff like that about what should you put on a plate carrier, right? Without making a 2-hour-long video about all the different environments that you might find yourselves in and your different jobs that you might do that you might need specialty tools for. We have some basic stuff that we have that come with some of our kits. So the standard loadout for the plate carriers that you get with us are gonna come with these 3 pouches, okay? First pouch you're gonna get is a double rifle magazine pouch, all right? Now this pouch right here, just pretty simple, uses the Velcro to open up. You can actually get 2 rifle magazines, like 2 AR, 2 AK mags, or a single 308 magazine for your FAL or your 308 or your G3 or whatever. And you get 2 of those in there, and then these tabs right here will hold shotgun shells, 12 gauge, or I put chem lights in mine, just a basic pouch. You get 4 rifle mags in there, or 2. Next is gonna have the double pistol magazine pouch. Now just keep in mind that it is kind of multi-purpose, but it's gonna be labeled as a pistol pouch. You can get 2 handgun magazines in here, 2 spares. I actually run magazine and like a flashlight in one of them as like an emergency thing for something goes bump in the night. And then lastly, you're gonna get your multi-caliber pistol holster. So this holster is adjustable for most handguns. Currently right now, it's not super optic friendly, but we're working on that. But it will hold just about anything else from a Glock all the way up to a Desert Eagle. It's not an exaggeration. And this just gives you something to retain your weapon with, right? So as it's set up right now, this would be good for, say, setting it by your nightstand or something in case you hear a bump in the night, all right? That's kind of the basic loadout. Now what you put in it is up to you, but this is just kind of the basic thing we recommend. Now another pouch that I kind of recommend be added on just about any basic kit, some kind of medical pouch, right? And I'm talking about an IFAK, not like a boo-boo kit with your Band-Aids and Neosporin, but an IFAK with some real trauma stuff. We have plenty of videos on our YouTube channel about our IFAKs and the different contents that come in them, so definitely check those out if you get a chance. But something like this just gives you the option to, if you're gonna be able to make holes, right, you should be able to fix them too. And an IFAK gives you the option. Those are kind of like the basic pouches that we recommend starting at with a plate carrier. And you can get the standard loadout with just about any of our plate carrier packages that we offer. So if you're new to armor and you've never done this before, all you gotta do when you place your order is go ahead and select you want the standard loadout or the fully loaded kit, and that'll get you these basic pouches. It's a really good starting point for what to put on your kit. As always, guys, stay safe out there. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about the video, please feel free to leave us a message below. Check out our YouTube channel for other videos and stuff that we do. If you like the content, be sure to subscribe to us. Keep checking out our video content. We'll keep putting it out. And if you have any questions, you can always call, email, Facebook us, whatever. You guys know how to get a hold of us by now, okay? Otherwise, guys, stay safe out there.